Fidget toy shopping at Target. I'm also vlogging for my YouTube channel. Go check it out. You guys, I'm speechless. Look at this. What? They actually have these? They have multiple colors. The color changing ones. Oh my gosh. Gray to orange, blue to green, purple to pink. These are so fun. If you guys did not know, this is actually my slime. If you're not aware, this is part of my slime line, the butter scoops. Definitely have to get some of this. The baby toy section. Do they have Simple Dimple? Let's see if they do. You guys, they actually have these, and they have yellow ones. Okay, best day ever. Stop. I have never seen them here, ever. They have Simple Dimple. This is the jackpot today, you guys. I totally want more